What are the statistics on juvenile delinquency? Have you ever wondered how many young people are involved in crime and what that really looks like? The statistics on juvenile delinquency reveal some interesting trends. Overall, juvenile crime has generally decreased in recent years, but this decline is not the same across all types of offenses or demographic groups. From the year 2016 to 2022, serious property crimes committed by juveniles, such as burglary, larceny, and robbery, fell sharply by 45% or more. However, during the same period, juvenile homicide increased by 65%. This indicates a troubling rise in the most violent offenses among young people. While other violent crimes have remained relatively stable, there has been a notable increase in firearm-related incidents involving juveniles, which often lead to serious injuries. When we look at the statistics by race and gender, we see some differences. Violent and property crimes have decreased among Black juveniles. Property crimes also decreased among white juveniles, but violent crimes did not show the same trend. Male juvenile offending has decreased significantly, while female offending rates have remained mostly unchanged. This change is narrowing the traditional gender gap in juvenile crime. Another trend worth mentioning is the decline in co-offending, where juveniles commit crimes in groups. This suggests a shift from social offending to more solitary acts among youth, possibly reflecting changes in peer dynamics. In terms of the juvenile justice system, youth incarceration has dropped significantly over the past 2 decades. Between the years 2000 and 2022, youth incarceration declined by about 75%. In the year 2021, approximately 26% of youth referred to juvenile court were detained. The number of youth committed to residential facilities has fallen by 80% since 1999. Despite these declines, racial and ethnic disparities still exist in juvenile justice involvement. In specific areas like Texas, juvenile commitments have decreased, with fewer youth placed in secure facilities. However, challenges such as staffing shortages and waitlists for committed youth remain. Texas ranks in the middle nationally in terms of juvenile commitment rates per capita. From a true crime and criminology perspective, these statistics show that juvenile delinquency is not just about the number of offenses. It also reflects shifts in the nature of crimes, demographic influences, and systemic responses. The increase in violent offenses like homicide and firearm use among juveniles raises concerns about youth violence and the factors driving it, such as strain and social pressures. The decline in group offending may indicate changing social structures among youth, which could influence prevention and intervention strategies. Understanding these trends is essential for developing policies and programs aimed at reducing juvenile crime, addressing the root causes of delinquency, and improving outcomes for at-risk youth within the justice system.